Hello everyone. So today I am back with yet another video. Today we'll be discussing about an interesting topic, and that is discounting. So before we begin today's session, let's look upon the answers for a previous video. The answer for sixth one was 5% interest, that is option D, and then seventh one was option A, 2 years. So you can understand how I have solved using the formulae. So without any further delay, let's begin. Discounting. What is discounting? You know that often there is some market price. When you go for shopping, you can notice there is some market price, and upon that the shopkeeper says that he'll be giving you a discount of some 2%, 3% or 10%, sometimes even 50%. So we all are familiar with the concept of discounting. So let's understand how this discount is found. Formula for discount is market price minus selling price. There is some market price and the shopkeeper sells you for a certain selling price. That difference is called as the discount. Discount percentage is calculated as market price minus selling price divided by market price into 100. The selling price equal to market price minus discount. And there is one more formula, that is selling price equal to market price minus 1 minus D by 100. This is when the discount is given in the percentage, that is certain amount like 10% discount is giving, then find out the selling price, then we have to use this formula. Now when two successive discounts are given, that 50% discount is given before, and then after that on that same object again 10% or 2% discount is given, so that is called as two successive discounts, and the formula is D1 plus D2 minus D1 into D2 whole divided by 100, and whatever answer we get will be the actual total discount at the end on that product. Now what if there are three successive discounts are given? Then the answer will be 1 minus into the bracket 1 minus D1 by 100 into 1 minus D2 by 100 into 1 minus D3 by 100. This whole will be multiplied by 100 and you will get the total discount on that particular object or that particular product. I hope you have understood. Let's begin with the examples. So here we go. A shopkeeper wants to sell a product worth rupees 250 at a discount of 10%. Find the selling price. So here are two methods. I will show you both the methods. The first will be directly using the formula. What they have asked here? They have asked here the selling price. So we know the formula for selling price. That is selling price equal to SP equal to MP in the bracket 1 minus D by 100, which gives us what is MP here? MP is, it is product worth, that means market price, 250 in the bracket 1 minus 10 by 100, which gives us 250 into 90 by 100. This will be 9s are 10s are. So this will become, what will be here 0 0 will go again, 25 into 9 will be 225. So 225 is the selling price. There's another method, that is this method you can use when you don't know the formula for finding the selling price. So how it is that, what they have asked, 10% discount is given on this product which is 250 rupees. So 10% of 250 will be 25 rupees. 25, right? Now SP will be, as we already know, market price minus discount, right? Which is equal to 250 minus discount is 25, which gives us 225. Here a little bit of logic is needed and here a little bit of memory is needed. Here you just take the formula, keep in mind the formula and insert all the whatever data they have given and you will get the answer. So finally here SP is rupees 225. So now end the question. A shopkeeper offered discount of 50% off plus 50% off. How discount is he giving in actual? So how much? First he gave 50%, then he gives 50%, then might be 100%, right? Then you will be getting the product at free of cost. No, it's not like that. So here, as I said, there is a formula for the successive discount. So let's use that formula. That is D equal to D1 plus D2 minus D1 into D2 divided by 100 percentage. D1 and D2 both are 50-50%. 50 plus 50 minus 50 into 50 whole divided by 100, which will be giving us 100 minus 2500 divided by 100. Two zeros gone. Then we get 100 minus 25, which is equal to 75. Here, here also there is one more trick, that 50%. 50% of what? Of 100%. 50% of 100%. So half of 100% will be 1 by 2, which gives us 50. Now 50% of this, 50% of this, 50% of this gives us 25. So adding these both, 50 plus 25 gives us 75. So this is the total discount percentage he have given on certain product. I hope you understood both these tricks. Moving to the next question. A shopkeeper purchased a product for rupees 200 and sold it on 10% discount. He earned 20% profit even after selling it on discount. Find the market price of the product. First, let's understand the question. Here, a shopkeeper has purchased a product, which means it will be the cost price for this shopkeeper. So we'll write it as CP equal to 200, right? Sold it on 10% discount. Sold it on 10% discount. D equal to 10%. He earned 20% profit even after selling it on discount. He sold it for 10% discount, then also he earned 20% of profit. So what is profit? P equal to 20%. Find the market price of the product. What we have to find? We have to find here the market price. Now we are given three datas. So what we have to do here is, first we should find out the selling price, because if we get the selling price, then we can use that formula and we can find out the market price. So what will be the selling price? Before that, we have to find what is the profit. So here profit percentage is given. Here we go. What will be the selling price? Before that, we have to find the profit. What is the profit? Here profit percentage is given. So 20% of 200. 20% of 200 gives us x by 200 into 100 equal to 20, which gives us 40. Solve this, you will get the answer. We will be getting 40. 20% of 200 is 40. And then SP will be 200 plus 40, which gives us 240. And then discount percentage is 10%, as we already know. Now we have to find the market price using the formula of SP. What is the formula for SP? SP equal to MP into bracket 1 minus D by 100. SP is 240, right? 1, what is discount? 10% divided by 100, which gives us 240 equal to MP into the bracket 90 by 100. This implies, look at this, how I will be taking here. This implies MP equal to 240, as it is here, 240 into, as this goes this side, we'll reciprocate it, 0 0 gone, then here 9 ones are 9, and then you just go on solving, you will understand. 6.66. This will continue, this 6 will continue. So the market price of this certain product will be rupees 266.66. Understood? Now, next question. A shopkeeper purchased a pack of pens for rupees 500, which he used to sell at 25% profit. This time he offered discount to students and sold it at 15% profit. Find the amount of the discount. This seems a little confusing. Pause the video and read the question for yourself. When you understand the question, then only play it. Okay. Now here there is a shopkeeper who has purchased a pack of pens for rupees 500. So the CP will be 500. And then which he used, which means it was in the past, that before he used to sell it at 25% profit. Profit before discount will be 25% of 500. You solve this like I have solved here. You will be getting the answer 25. If you don't know how to take out the profit percentage, go back to my video. There's a video on profit and loss. If you go through that, you will understand. So profit before discount was 25% of 500. That will be 25 rupees. Then this time he offered a discount to students and sold it at 15%. So this is the before one. Now, but this time he sold it at the profit of 15%. So here it will be P after discount. P after discount will be 15% of 500, which gives us 75 rupees. And this is 125, not 25, 125. And this will give us 75 rupees. So here, just calculate the amount at what he is selling. Okay. He has bought it for 500 and he has gained the profit of 125. So the SP will be, this implies SP will be 500 plus 125, which will be 625. Here this is again here 500 plus 75, which gives us 575. So here this is the profit what he gained selling this pen packet at 25% profit, and this is at 15% profit. Here the question is, find the amount of the discount. Find the amount of the actual discount that these children are getting. So it will be D equal to 625 minus 575, which gives us 50. So in total 50 rupees is the discount given on this pack of pens for the students. I hope you understood. And now we come to the end of the video. We have solved 4 questions. If you didn't understand any of the method or any question, do comment in the comment box. I'll try to explain it some other way. And then now these are the questions for your homework. Try to solve all the questions and get the answers, and do comment in the comment box. However, these are very easy than those which I have solved today. Thank you.